Welcome back to my channel. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. If you guys have any requests, please comment in the comments section below, or you can email me. My email will be in the description below. So today I will be showing you guys my newest purchase that I thought it would be pretty fun to play around with, since I want to learn a little bit more about Linux. So today I'm going to show you guys an unboxing of the Raspberry Pi 4. I believe that the RAM of this one is 4 gigabytes. Let's get started. So I'm just going to open this quickly. Show you guys. Okay. So open the box just like that. And the Raspberry Model B 4 gigabyte RAM, like I said. So the Raspberry motherboard should be in here. Oh, open here. There we go. And just like that, here is the whole chip. Looks gorgeous. Okay, so there's that. Put that off to the side here. Let's go through the rest of this box. So, quick starter guide. We'll have to read that later. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. So here is the box that the Raspberry Pi will sit in. A little cooling box. Put that to the side as well. We have a couple of cables. HDMI cables. Got 2 of them right there. And got to the power supply that I will be connecting to the wall outlet. And then I have just these little gadgets here. It's for the SD card. Little fan. SD. There's the micro SD, 32 gigabytes. Couple of heat sinks, cool it down, and a screwdriver. And that's basically it. I will go through some specs right now. So I actually forgot to mention that it is a starter kit. It was about $120 on Amazon. Here are some quick specs on the Raspberry Pi 4. It has a quad-core Cortex A72, 64-bit at 1.5 gigahertz. It comes in 2 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes, and 8 gigabytes. DDR4 SD RAM. It's 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz wireless internet. Bluetooth 5 gigabyte Ethernet port. It has 2 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 micro HDMI ports, 4-pole stereo audio, and composite video port. It supports 4K and 1080p. It has a micro SD slot for loading operating systems and data storage, power over Ethernet, and the operating temperature is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Like always, I'm How To Tech Tips. Keep teching on.